Yo, good morning guys, welcome back to another new YouTube video. We're here at D3 Motorsports and we're gonna get ready to head out to Coffees and Cars, and this is my new ride, guys. I want to show you guys, this is my brand new 2013 Lexus RX 350. I did everything already, and yeah, done everything in the car. So
there's definitely something we could do. We need to sit down and talk about it though. Because,
morning,
okay. What's up, people? Good morning. Morning.
And it's cold out here, so trying to
It
get
ain't cold, it's brisk.
You know, we're trying to get the Corvette out, the Viper.
So, I think it'd be cool to do that. Just gotta find somebody to do it.
But yeah, I'll give you a little tour of my new car. You guys can see it's a little dirty. Let me clean this up. But yeah, this is my Lexus around here. You guys can know who I am because I got everything on here. I did the wheels, I got decals, everything. I got lights in here too. Dang, cool start. See, I got some material lights. I got the under logo thing. You guys can tell, but it's not working right now. But yeah, that's basically it. I got a PA system in the car. I got my let me focus. So I got my PA system. I got my Amazon Alexa and my shifter knob. Background. I'm getting the DB11 out. That's what we're doing. Cold start the DB11. Dang, that V12. So guys, that's D3 over there. You guys see, and the DB11 all blacked out. So yeah, Alexa, pause. Look, that's badass. So we gotta follow him. I got a GPS unlocked, but we decided not to go on Highway 60 because Highway 6 is fucked up. So I'm gonna go on a faster route.
Turn right onto SH6 North.
I'm gonna go ahead. Let's see what we're doing. You guys see this right here is a PA system. Right in front of me is an Aston Martin DB11, all blacked out. You guys saw that?
Oh, yeah.
You guys got my DM, right?
Yeah.
We're here, guys. Dang. That 570S up there sounds amazing. You got titanium exhaust. You can hear the turbos blow, do a little rev. That's amazing. If you guys haven't seen, that's an SVJ right there. A little Nardo Gray, like Matt Nardo Gray, something like that. Man, AJ told me that if you have like a special color on the J, wait, let me move the camera. If you guys see on the J, it means that the orange is something special to the car. It matches the caliper though. I do like the orange accents. Oh shit! God dang! Yeah, terrible. Big thanks to him. That's VJ though. That's clean. So that turbo 2002 from BMW is clean. So guys, I'm back at D3 Motorsports. Val and Darren, instead of work today?
What's up, brother?
Yeah, we're inside the Rolls Royce again. Here we go. Another sneak peek. This thing's gonna be unwrapped soon. Yeah. Everything's closed by a press of the button. I'm not gonna press it because I'm not gonna go in. So yeah. And what's it called? The S4 has finally finished. If I'm right. So yeah. You guys, I want to let you guys know that this car has been ceramic pro. We're gonna put in the last coat in a bit, but I'm trying to see what the high and lows in this car. But this car's clean. Ed, you did a good job. And then look at that Viper's just clean. It looks so neat. And Rolls Royce looking clean too. Look who this show up. Y'all told me this thing has a 2J?
I believe so. These
They got super
caliber.
Yeah, super calipers. Man, look at those. Right hand drive too. It's a Vertex edition. There's a scat pack right there. Dang. This guy running low too. Dang, that's clean.
Inspection. There's no inspection in Florida. So
Yeah.
that's why.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is it will kill a lot of cars. It will kill all these cars here. There's a lot.
Oh shit! Oh shit! God damn it! Got the sirens up. God damn it! Dang, I got him! Ah, he's getting pulled over! Oh shit! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! You better!
What the messed up thing about it is he's spoiling it. It's like now it's like, hey, where's the tapioca at? I want the tapioca. Don't use that. Use this one first.
Yeah,
like everybody
use
wants
the
to
green towel. Don't use the red towel.
Everybody like now it's like, where's my drink at?
Well, no, none of us said that. All of us were like, God, he's been gone a real long time.
No, when he left yesterday, me and Bow were like, hey, you can't come back unless you bring tapioca. He's like, that's your ticket back in the shop.
Well, clearly.
That's such hard life.
Yeah.
We went home, we kicked our dogs, killed our cats.
He had all those servants and he had nothing to do.
Yeah. Microwave the gerbil.
That's
Same time?
Yeah, you go.
Oh shit, you're supposed to go from the out.
Doing behind the scenes for D3.
What's up?
Got clients here.
Let me get inside this car. Yo, hey guys, it's Darren over at D3 Motorsports. I got my man Fee over here from Fee Photography. There he is, he's videotaping us, we're videotaping him. Got my man Bao behind the camera back here. So today we're bringing to you another vehicle that we just got finished up. We have Audi 2019 Audi S4. We just did full frontal clear bra on it. We did the whole front, the fenders, the pillars, the top of the roof, maybe to halfway back of the sunroof, and ceramic coated the car with ceramic coating. And we also did the clear bra as well, so the PPF and ceramic coating for that as well. So the customer is just now getting here, so let's go check him out real quick. He's a real special customer. He's part of the Audi Club in Houston. We are now one of the new vendors, so it's also pretty cool. So where is he at?
Hey,
Thank you for coming in.
How you
We
doing?
got your car outside, so we did the clear bra like you asked. We did the ceramic coating and stuff like that on the vehicle, so it looks really nice and shiny. So you have 2 coats of ceramic on both parts, 5 years of protection.
Hey, what do you think, Aiden? Man, that shines.
That blue just looks amazing.
It does.
So
Get colder.
whole car's been done, full front, Expo. We had to throw a little surprise in there for you.
Perfect. That's good. Get that dealer plate off.
Exactly. So there you go. You have a nice clean shine on it. Your car's officially been protected, and you know.
D3, our newest approved ACH vendor. Yeah, we're having an open house here on the 26th, so all of the ACH guys can come check out what you guys do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we're very pleased about that. You know, D3, we're trying to make big moves, get with the right people, create long-lasting relationships. These guys aren't just customers or friends. So I welcome everybody. I'm happy to be part of the group. So thank you guys for all your support. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you guys have a great Saturday. Fee, thanks for coming out and doing your video as usual. He gets a lot of outtakes, so we'll have a nice little video of some of our bloopers,
Behind the
outtakes,
scenes.
stuff like that, behind the scenes stuff. So thank you guys. Have a great Saturday. I'll talk to you guys later. Go Texans, go Astros.
Peace. Yeah, that thing does really shine now.
Yeah.
It's so loud. You guys can't hear it. I know, right?